Are you looking for a hip stretching routine? Then I got you. Join me today for this 10-minute hip mobility and stretching routine where we are going to take you through different exercises to work on joint mobility, stretching out the muscles of the hip girdle, including those hip flexors, glutes, and hammies. This is perfect if you just had a hard workout or you're recovering from playing sports, or you just want to add in some daily mobility to your routine to help work on loosening up those hips. This is a no-talking follow-along routine, so I want you to just go at a pace and a rate that's comfortable to you and stick around to the end, because as a doctor of physical therapy, I'm going to be sharing with you some tips on injury prevention surrounding that hip girdle. I'll see you then. All right, I hope you guys are feeling nice and loose and limber after that 10-minute hip mobility routine. Now I'm going to take you through a couple injury prevention tips and things that I work a lot on as a doctor of physical therapy with my patients and clients. So I see a lot of athletes and I see a lot of non-athletes. And one commonality that I find is that even though people want to work on mobility through the joint, making sure they have movement and they're loosening things up, they also don't have a lot of stability through the joint. So those smaller muscles that are supposed to stabilize that hip joint often are weak. So we're talking about like pelvic floor, deep core muscles, deep glute muscles. You tend to be strong in like quads and hammies and your big glute, but the smaller muscles get overlooked. So one of my favorite things that I like to do with people is have them work on balance activities, specifically single leg stance. And so what I mean by that, standing on one leg. So there's varying levels and ways you can progress your activities standing on one leg. But a lot of the time, I'll see an athlete who might be super fast, super strong, really good at things. I have them stand on one leg and they're just like all over the place. And I can see that their ankles and their hips are actually weak. So in order to strengthen that, which can also help prevent injury, we have them do single stance leg activities. Here's like a simple progression for you. Start by seeing if you can just stand on one leg. Okay, you could have your arms by your sides. You could have your hands out to the side. You can try to stand here for like 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 40 seconds. Keep building it up. See how long you can stand before you're noticing you're starting to wobble and fatigue. Okay, you can progress that by doing eyes closed. Okay, so eyes start open, then you can do eyes closed. Progress that a step further by trying to reach out of your base of support, reach in all planes with your arm, reach with your foot, the opposite leg. You can stand on some type of uneven, like squishy or uneven surface. There's so many ways you can progress balance, but I see really fast gains when people start to work on balance. I see fast gains as far as those little muscles are like, oh, okay, muscle memory. I know how to be worked again. I know what I'm doing. They get stronger. They get more stable. It all comes into play and it really helps with injury prevention. So I hope you guys found this helpful. I might just have to make a video on stability exercises. Awesome, guys. If you like this, please comment what you enjoyed below, subscribe to us, and I'll see you on the next one.